Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to create dual apps on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, dual apps, also known as clone apps or parallel apps, allow users to run two instances of the same apps on the single device simultaneously. And this feature is particularly useful for managing multiple accounts. And how to create dual apps is very easy because in Poco M7 Pro is providing the feature to clone the apps. So you don't have to install any another apps to clone your apps. Alright guys, so yeah, now let's do the tutorial. First go to settings menu and then scroll down, and then now you can go to apps menu and then go to dual apps, click create, and then now you can choose the apps that you want to clone, and I will choose this one and then wait for a while until it's done. And then after that, as you can see, the apps start to clone itself. And so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to create dual apps on Poco M7 Pro. And then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.